Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crypto Coffee Club. I wanted to test the Stonksy Indicator by that Martini guy. So I thought the best way to do it was to sign up for 1 month to give it a go and see if I'd want to continue paying for the account for maybe an entire year. So here we go. Here's my trading account with Mexi. Almost 7 days ago, I added $1,100 to this account, and I was trading Dogecoin with the Stonksy Indicator. And as you can see at the bottom here on my total equity, it's already over $10,000 in 7 days. So it goes without saying, I am blown away by how well this indicator has given me entries and exits on this asset. So the reason I chose Dogecoin and not Bitcoin, yes, I have done a little Bitcoin trade as well, but the reason I chose Dogecoin was because of the election, everything going on with Elon Musk. I thought there'd be some fantastic volatility on it. So I've been using Dogecoin and Stonksy on the 3 minute and 1 minute time frames. And I'm going to jump in now and show you my thinking behind it, why I entered these trades, and how Stonksy told me to get into them. So you can see here one of my first trades at 22.26 on the 5th of November was one of my first Dogecoin trades down here at a price of around 16 cents. Fantastic entry. I'll jump over to my 1 minute time frame in trading view. You can see here at 22.25, the Stonksy indicator told me to go long, as you can see here. Now, there was a few other things going on as well. There was this dotted red line, which I'd drawn a while back, which was a key level of support and resistance. And price was coming down below that level. However, momentum was coming up on the market side for B indicator. Now, I've used this indicator for a long time, and it's great for showing direction in momentum, etc. However, Stonksy's been an absolute game changer when it's come to finding those perfect entry and exit points. So yeah, at 22.25, we got that long indication from Stonksy down at the bottom here. And then we jump over to the 3 minute, and we again see this great bullish divergence in price taking place. So the price was coming down, momentum coming up around this key level. And again here at 22.24, Stonksy went into a long position. I waited for the next candle to see how things were going. Price was then going above this key level up here. And we also had, again, on market side for B, this nice money flow curving upwards. So Stonksy gave me a fantastic entry point at that price level. And yeah, the trades just continue to rocket since then. So what I've been doing as well, what's key with Stonksy is using it around key levels of support and resistance. So as an example, what I did, if you go back to the daily chart on Dogecoin back in 2021, I anticipated some strong bullish momentum with Doge. And you can see here there's some really key levels of price activity on the daily time frame. And I pulled those levels across. So when price interacted with those levels on a closer time frame, it gave me some good indications of when to really look out for what Stonksy was doing. Now, another trade I made, I will show you here on my MEXC account. It was at 11.24 on the 11th of November. And as you can see here, again, my entry position here on the buy. So I added to the trade at this stage. Now I'll jump back into trading view and show you why I did this. Here's the 1 minute time frame on Dogecoin. Let's go to 11.24. And you can see here at 11.21 on Stonksy, we're getting this signal to go long on the indicator. And again, if you remember those lines I drew from way back in 2021, this was at a key level of price action. and this was the first indicator for me to jump in to this trade. And we go over to the 3-minute at the same time, 11:24. Here you go. So the 3-minute again around this time at 11:21 gave me the indication to go along here, as you can see, where the background color turns green again at this key level of price action. And that gave me the sentiment, this is the right time to enter the trade. And I did just that again. So zooming back out on my trading account here, you can see a bunch of times I've been using Stonksy to buy, so add into my position, sell where I'm taking some profits along the way. I think it's always a good idea to take profits, and when Stonksy's showing me that there's some weak sentiment and it's going into those short positions, that's where I'm taking profits along the way. But I've got myself a really good entry with Dogecoin now, so I'm going to be holding this trade and using Stonksy just to trade in and out of the position partially along the way. Overall, Stonksy has been an absolute game changer when it comes to finding the perfect entry and exit points on trades, but also when to add to the position, when to take some profits. I'm very impressed. So I'm going to be increasing my membership from the 1 month it's on now to an annual or even lifetime membership. I also want to give props to that Martini guy for developing this indicator. It's absolutely phenomenal for me to turn $1,100 into over $10,000 in just 7 days. The results just speak for themselves. If you guys want to try out Stonksy for yourself, there's a link in the description below. And please subscribe and like this video. I'm going to be doing more videos using the Stonksy indicator. So if you have any questions about it, please ask them below, and we'll be trading other tokens. We'll also be looking at interesting tokens to invest in for this bull market that we're in now. So thank you for listening, and thank you for watching Crypto Coffee Club.